Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to check the amounts of steps taken on this smartband. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the icon or option called Stats. Once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here you can scroll down, and below the calories you will see the steps, and here you have a counter. You can also check this information in more detail by opening the phone app on the phone that is paired with your smartband. So if your smartband is paired with a phone, you can open the Mi Fitness application on that phone, and once you open the app, so let's open it. Once you open the ad, you will see the health page. And on this page, you can scroll down and tap on steps. And here you can tap on it, like I said, and you will see more data. And you can check the daily data, weekly data, and the monthly data. And once you're done, you can of course close the app. And that's how you check the amounts of steps taken on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.